Hello class 10. So in our previous video we studied the double displacement reaction. Now the next type of reaction is oxidation and reduction reaction. Now what is oxidation and what is reduction first? So oxidation in simple terms is the addition of oxygen. Okay, you have an element or a compound, you perform an chemical activity, and after the activity you will see that oxygen is get added to that substance. That means the substance get oxidized. Here in this example you can see copper is here, copper is heating in the presence of oxygen. Obviously if there is heat there must be oxygen. So what will happen after the heating? You will get copper oxide. You see, here you have Cu and here you get CuO. O is added. Oxygen is added to copper. So that is known as oxidation of copper is happening here. What is happening here? Oxidation of copper. That is the activity in your NCERT book. That you took copper in a watch glass and then heat it. You took copper in the watch glass and then heat it. You will observe that it becomes black after the heating. So why does it become black? Why does it blacken? Because जो copper था that with the addition of oxygen and on heating converts into copper oxide, the black product, है ना? So that is known as oxidation. The other term which you can say is removal of oxygen. Sorry, removal of hydrogen. You can say if there is plus O, oxygen is adding, or you can say minus H, hydrogen is removing. So both the cases will be considered as oxidation. Now the second is reduction. Reduction, name suggests reduce हो रहा है. What is reducing here? Oxygen is reducing. Yani if there is minus O, that means oxygen is reducing, or you can say addition of hydrogen plus H. So that is known as again reduction. ठीक है? What happened in oxygen? Oxidation, addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. In reduction, removal of oxygen or addition of hydrogen. Now again, this is the activity of copper oxide. Now what has happened here? You took copper oxide and in the presence of hydrogen, you heat it again. So what will happen in that case? जो oxygen था copper oxide का, it will react with hydrogen and forms water molecule and you will get Cu. So here you can see you had CuO and in the product you don't have, you have only Cu. O is removed. O is removed. That means we can say copper oxide is reduced. Reduction reaction has taken place here. Okay. Now this is like oxidation, addition of oxygen, loss of hydrogen, and there is one more electronic concept. I don't think you need to study it, but simple terms में loss of electron is also oxidation. Loss of oxygen or gain of hydrogen या फिर gain of electrons. ठीक है ना? Activity, heating of copper, I just explained you now. इसके बाद होता है one more thing, oxidizing agent. Now what oxidizing agent? Oxidizing agent होते हैं the substances which help in oxidation of the some substances. ठीक है? Those are called the oxidizing agent. Now the reducing agent which helps in reduction. For example, you have zinc oxide, you have to reduce it. So in the presence of carbon, if you perform the activity, you will see कि zinc oxide is reduced to zinc. Now here C will be called reducing agent. C will be called reducing agent because it helps in the reduction of zinc oxide. It helps in the removal of oxygen from the zinc oxide. Okay, so these are called the reducing agent. Now, what are redox reactions? Some of the reactions when take place, oxidation and reduction simultaneously takes place in those reactions. So what in that case? In that case, those reaction combinedly called the redox reaction. Re is reduction, red is reduction का redox, and ox is oxidation का, है ना? तो redox combinedly. For example, here we have taken the example copper oxide in presence of H2. When you heat it, what has happened? You get water and copper. Water and copper. So here you can see that copper oxide becomes copper after the reaction. Here what is taking place? O is removed. That means the copper oxide get reduced. And you can see H2 in the product becomes H2O. Here addition of oxygen takes place. So you can say this is the reduction and H2 is oxidizing. Copper oxide reduced and hydrogen oxidized. So reduction and oxidation simultaneously taking place. So these kind of reactions are called redox reaction. Okay, oxidizing agent, reducing agent, I told you. Now this is one more example, ZNO plus carbon, which I just gave you. See, here is actually, what is it? It's reducing agent, right? Now one more example we have, like MnO2 plus 4HCl will give you MnCl2 plus 2H2O plus Cl2.